Hi everyone, and welcome to Floral Design 101. Today we'll be making a beautiful artificial fall tablescape. Once again, we're here with our florist, Rhonda from Perfect Occasions, and Afara Gilliard from the City of Pompano Beach Cultural Affairs Department. So Rhonda, how do we get this beautiful arrangement started today?
Okay, we'll start with cutting our foam.
Okay.
Let's measure it to the container.
Okay. Measure it.
You can just take your scissors and take some off. Okay, yeah. And this is called dry foam. This is what you'll use with artificial flowers. So today we're making a beautiful tablescape for the fall. So you can start with your leaves.
So do we measure them like the same way we did for the live bouquet? Like measure it to the...
No, because these are flexible, so you have a little more versatility with these opposed to the real flowers. So you can bend it down however you would like your tablescape to look.
Rhonda, where would I go and find floral?
Okay, you can find these at your local hobby craft store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. And so most of these are flexible, but if you run into a larger stem, you would use wire cutters to shorten it to your likeness. Once you cut it with the wire cutter, sometimes you can just manipulate it with your hands, bend it back and forth, and it'll usually break off.
So are we able to mix real flowers in with these artificial arrangements?
Yes, you can. Okay, but once you add the real, your tablescape would probably only last a couple days, opposed to if you use all artificial, you can reuse it over and over again.
Okay, so we are able to wet the foam to keep the live flowers.
Okay, we have two different foams.
Okay.
So if you wanted to add the real, you could use Oasis wet foam.
Okay.
For all the artificial flowers, you would use a dry foam.
Okay.
A dry style foam, which does not, you don't have to add any water. And I think this just would be a beautiful centerpiece for your holiday dinner. And I even have a few live plants from Earth that I'm gonna include in mine. So you can kind of see how the mixture of artificial and real looks. Okay, Dexter, I see you changed the design.
Yeah, I think I want my pumpkin to be in the middle.
Okay, not a problem. So is the pumpkin will be the main attraction. We don't want to hide it. Awesome. Come over here. And these are artificial, so you can just bend them, scrunch them. You can make them do whatever you like. Place your acorns.
Okay, so the wire cutters seem to be giving us a little hard time.
Okay, you could bend it back and forth, manipulate the stem a little, it'll break.
Okay, that's what I had to do.
We can even bend it because we have a lot of room.
Okay.
Do you like the look of it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks again, Rhonda, for teaching us these great techniques using artificial flowers. I can't wait to see these on our dining room tables for the holidays. Be sure to join us next time for another Floral Design 101.